The first semifinal at the Nature Valley Classic brings together two players who've experienced success in Birmingham and on the grass in general. Magdalena Rybarikova won the title in Birmingham in 2009 on her debut, and last year sparkled on the grass, going 18-2 and making the semifinals at Wimbledon. Her opponent, her friend Barbora, is a two-time finalist in Birmingham and has reached the quarterfinals at Wimbledon. Forehand goes long. Oh, what a lovely backhand that was. Took it early, Rybarikova. Again on the break point, virtually identical drop shot from Strycova.
Even though you know she might drop shot, it was too good.
We're back on serve and level now in the first set.
3 games on.
Well, at least they're good friends, so I'm sure Rybarikova doesn't mind. Yeah, as you can see. Great touch there from Rybarikova's side.
40-15.
Oh, what a stretch there by Strycova. Well, she decided to come in cross court and had a lot of time to set up for that. The backhand goes into the net. And Magdalena Rybarikova, the 2009 winner in Birmingham, is she on her way to another final in Birmingham. That was a big, big set for her to win. Next in a tiebreak, 7-6. Oh, what a point that was.
I think they're both really talented players, great hands. Athleticism too.
times we've seen the drive backhand. And she is passed. Strycova breaks. What a point that was! Outstanding from Rybarikova, her court coverage, her touch. Nope, that one she missed.
Strycova is challenged the ball on the right near sideline. Constance. 4 games on. Miss Strycova has 2 challenges remaining.
Made it.
Such a key moment too.
And she has done it. Magdalena Rybarikova has made a second final in Birmingham by beating Barbora Strycova, 2-time finalist, 7-6, 6-4.